Para isa-cherry pa yung name.
So ito na ba si Mikey?
Oh,
From the Mikey na kilala namin noon.
I guess so. I guess this is the new me. I'm getting to know her pa. So, pa malaman anong mga kaya niyang gawin. Pero, sana subaybayan niyo po. Umpisa na to.
So, ano next?
Tsaka ano pa yung mas kaya?
Daring.
Honestly, I wanna know too. Di ko pa alam. Ayoko pang, tuldukan or iplano. Gusto ko makita sa anong mga mangyayari.
Pero mas daring ma.
Mas daring na
Pwede
Mike.
ba? Pwede ba? I don't know, we'll see. We'll see.
Pero Mikey, willing ka gumawa ng mga girls love movie.
Oh, that's interesting. Gusto ko po talagang ma-explore yung range ko as an actress. If it's well written, and if ma-feel kung safe naman ang set, and yung co-actor mismo, then why not?
Pero anong pwede mong gawin? I mean, yung pwede mong ibigay doon sa pinaka-daring.
Ay, abangan nyo na lang po.
Wala.
Ginawa ko na. Para may surprise pa tayo. Oo.
Kaya mo bang mag-all out, Mikey? Parang
Huwag ako.
ngayon na lang yan.
Oo,
Dahil
pero-
single.
Hindi din. And nga, like I said earlier, I think that's what I learned from Beth also and my experiences in life. Never compromise yourself just because you're in a relationship. Like, kahit habang nasa relationship ka, I believe na dapat nag-grow ka pa rin. Na, yes, the only constant thing is change. So, find a partner that will accept yung changes mo as you grow.
Yung
Saan
love
ba kayo?
life.
Asan na ba kayo?
Pero yung love life mo, Mikey.
Sorry?
Love
Anong
life mo
update
daw.
sa love life?
Ay, hindi ko, wala po eh. Baka kayo may update po.
Baka naman meron ka.
Wala
Pero
po
hindi,
talaga,
medyo
I
matagal
wish.
na rin.
Matagal na nga rin. I think kasi nag-i-enjoy ako ngayon. I moved out of my family home.
Okay. As in
Sir
solo.
Lee.
Yes,
Solo?
And doon ko na-realize, and this is a big reason why you should watch the movie too. Kasi I believe ito din yung message ng pelikula namin. Na yung love na hinahanap natin sa romantic relationships, hindi lang natin pwedeng sa romantic makuha yun. Kaya natin bigayin sa sarili natin and from our friends and okay, medyo malayo yung family sa romantic. Pero the friends and ourselves. Ako kasi parang yung experience ng pag-move out ko, dun ko nahanap na yung hinahanap kong love sa relationships. Kaya ko palang ma-feel sa pagpili ng kurtina, pagpili ng paint sa wall, sa pagpili ng upuan sa dining. Dun ko na-feel. At first, intentionally ako nagpapaka-busy para di mag-isip. Pero makatulong.
Pero I'm sure mas maraming nagkaka-interest ngayon sa
Hindi
Mikey
ko po
2.0.
nararamdaman. Saan po sila?
Talaga?
Please express more.
And then, syempre, alam na lang lahat na walang partner, walang relationship. Tapos, sa look mo ngayon, definitely, maraming gusto. Hindi mo nararamdaman like, hindi sila lumalapit, hindi nag-approach, hindi nanliligaw.
Siguro, I don't go out din kasi. Taong
yun.
bahay ako. Dahil nga na-enjoy ko yun. But, sige, I'll try to go out more. Para may chance.
Pero Mikey, meron ko bang experience na naloka ng boyfriend?
Naloko?
No. Naging unfaithful lang.
I think that's very vague and general. Na I don't think intentionally, wala pa akong na-experience na intentionally akong niloko.
Okay.
Hindi pa. Honest naman. Honest sa mga ex ko, honest.
Ay, ang dami na pala. Oo talaga. Ikaw nagsabi.
Pero Mikey, kanina parang malalim yung hugot mo about love.
Yeah.
Saan
dun?
nagagaling yun?
Saan part mo
Hugot
doon?
mo, yung sa first part ng press ko.
Na-
Yung nag-share ka about love.
The first question?
Parang
Yung about sa siguro yung sa cheating. Yung no.
Oo, kasi growing up, siguro bilang actress din, nakita ko playing different characters na you can't judge people. You can't judge where people are coming from. So, kung yung question nga na dapat ba magbigay ng second chance sa mga cheaters, totoo yung sagot ko kanina na dati I used to believe na ang pinaka-importante is yung why. Dapat maintindihan mo kung bakit sila nag-cheat. Baka di naman nila ginusto. There's something unhealed maybe they didn't face. But now I also learned we should be responsible with our own healing. So it's not my job to guide that or anyone else dun. So that changed. That opinion changed na for me.
Pero not necessarily it's your story. Kasi sabi mo never
Hindi
ka pa
naman.
nag-shoot.
That's coming from everything I experienced, lahat ng kwentong narinig ko, kaya nagbago yung opinion ko.
Nagkakausap na gano'n.
Ay, di na nga
Ay,
eh.
di
You know
na.
what? I don't know. Kahit pangalan ng tao, hindi ko na.
Katisis.
I think it's easier for me to answer if you rephrase the question. Your question is, what's my advice to the character? I think what happened during the movie was, si Beth yung nakapag-advise kay Mikey. Parang ganon. Knowing her at playing her taught me something. Taught Mikey something. Because it's part of the reason why I said yes to the project actually, when I read the script. Yung lesson, nung buong, yung message na sinasabi nga ni Direk, really resonated with me. But, the character I'm playing, I don't agree with her values, what she believes in. So, it's gonna demand something from me. Like, I play something na hindi ko pinaniniwalaan as Mikey eh. And, getting there and trying to play her and being sincere as Beth will teach me something, and it did. Nakita ko yung point of view ni Beth. And, yun nga, mas naturuan niya akong to accept things as it is. Yun yung advice ni Beth sa akin. It is what it is, and never ever regret love. Because laging yung nagmamahal lang nananalo. Yes. Trailer yung nagtatakbuhan kami na scene. Siyempre, nung tinitake namin yung pawis na kaming lahat. Eh, siyempre, retouch minsan, pero pawis na kami. So, ilang hours na kaming ganun. And then, yung natuyo na yung damit sa pawis, tapos napawisan ulit, tapos matutuyo ulit. Imagine that. Saya, no? Pero nung moment na yun, tinanong ko si Mika off-cam. Sabi ko, kadiri ba Mika pag di naligo tonight bago matulog? Tapos yung bigat nung sagot sa akin ni Mika, sabi niya, oo, yak! Oo! Yak! So parang, a good 10 minutes, we were all laughing.
Pero totoo lang, dead ma ako sa'yo, Mika. Di ako naligo ng gabi.
Ayun! One of my favorite moments, yun.
Ay, naku, maraming sasabihin yan. Lagot.
Oo, eh. Hi po. Unang-una, I want to say thank you sa ating press for giving the time to come here today. And I'm so excited for you guys to watch the movie. Sa totoo lang, this is my very first. Thank you. Thank you, Sir
Yeah.
Keith. Thank you, Suriga. Thank you, Sparkle, for making this happen. I play Beth here. Part ng 1 of 5 ng Barkada. And to answer the question, deserve ba ng mga cheaters ng second chance? Okay, full transparency. I used to believe na wala naman talaga kasing perfect. So, I used to believe na pwede, okay lang yun. And the important thing is the why. Yung sagot sa kung bakit nagawa. But now I agree with Khalil. No. Because giving a chance to a cheater is not... Yung chance hindi para dun sa cheater eh. Yung compromise, mas nasa'yo. So, yeah. No more! That's the answer. No more.
Palakpakan po natin, Mikey
Thank you.
Quintos!